guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you are doing well. Today's video we are going to be seeing my nude lipstick collection, which I am obsessed about. I always want to use nude lipsticks because I feel they suit the best on my skin type and they just complement any look. So today I'm going to show you my nude lipstick collection. It's going to be a mix of mid-range and high-end products. Obviously I don't own all the high-end brands, but I just own a few and I would like to show that to you. So yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys my nude lipstick collection and I hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So I'm starting with the mid-range products first, and just to let you know that this collection that I am showing you right now, I am showing you around 7 lipsticks. These has been bought over a period of time, and it's not that I just went and bought this for this video. No, I have them for a long period of time and you will understand them because they are from collections which are 2-3 years old. So yeah, so I'll start with the mid-range collection first and I'll move to the high-end afterwards. So my first lipstick on the list is this beautiful Maybelline and Gigi Hadid collection lipstick, nude lipstick, which is named Tora. When it was launched, it was a rage and people all over wanted to, sorry I just messed it, people all, I think everybody was buying it at that point, and so I also went ahead and bought it. I'll do a little swatch for you on my hand so as to give you a idea of how the shade looks. I'll just do it here. It's a beautiful light it's got a pinkish like color combination to it, but it's a beautiful color. Usually what I do is I kind of mix it with another lipstick, so I try to mix 2-3 lipsticks and use it so that it creates a different color altogether. I was very fond of this lipstick when it was launched, so I wanted to show you guys. Let me know how many of you all still own this lipstick, and I think those who know or are a big fan of nude lipsticks, they would definitely relate with this shade Tora. So moving to the next one, I have this beautiful nude shade, and it's again from Maybelline. This shade is called Nude Nuance. I think it's one of my go-to nude lipstick of all time. It's matte as well as it still moisturizes your lips. It's not that typical matte lipstick where you feel dry, which I really like. I don't kind of use a lot of liquid lipsticks, and I don't like too matte lipsticks. So as you can see, I have used it quite a few times now, so it's just reached its last bit. But I'll just do this, I'll just remove this swatch and I'll show you how it looks on my hand. This is super pigmented. I think it's one of the best colors of all time, and I think this collection in total, I think all the lipsticks from this collection were super pigmented. The lipsticks from this collection had a really nice matte finish, and as well as it was not too matte to the skin, so I really love this this collection of Maybelline. Moving to the third lipstick, I have this beautiful Coffee Command shade from Lakme 9 to 5 range, and this is what the lipstick looks like. It's a little darker brown, not brown, but it's really a coffee color. I'll just swatch it. So as you can see, it's really nice and brown in color. It's definitely highly pigmented, and it's not that matte, which is amazing for me. I don't like too much matte lipstick. So yeah, so this one I bought I think quite a long time ago. and since then I've been using it on and off. So yeah, so this is my third lipstick on the list. Moving to the fourth one, I have this lipstick from Nykaa. So when Nykaa was launching their lipstick collection, I have this one from Nykaa. This is the shade Naughty Nude. This is how it looks. This even I bought like a year back. This is the shade. I think you can see it. Yeah, this is the shade. This is a little pink. It's got a pink undertone. It's not that brown like the previous one, but it's beautiful. And yeah, so if you go for a smoky eye or a gold glittery eye, and you can just completely use this lipstick and it does the job really good. So this is something which I also use quite a lot. So all these lipsticks that I'm showing you, I have kind of used them so many times, so, and I know for a fact that these are my go-to nude lipsticks. So yeah, so these were my mid-range lipsticks that I wanted to show you. Now I'll move to the little high-end brands. The first one I have is MAC. I think we all love MAC, and their shades are amazing. So this is the shade that I have from MAC. This is the shade Twig. It's a beautiful nude color. I will swatch it for you. It's a little mauve in color. It's not completely pink, but it's the mix of mauve and pink, which I absolutely love, because when you are only wearing nude lipsticks all the time, you just don't want to wear like a brown or like a coffee color. You would want to mix it up. So I think this one is perfect, and it looks amazing on the skin, and I'm sure a lot of you own this lipstick already, and if you do, then please let me know your feedback or your review on the same. I personally love this lipstick. Now moving to the next high-end brand lipstick, and it's one of my favorite company when it comes to makeup. I just love their formulations, and they are just so natural. And this is one lipstick which completely moisturizes my skin, and it acts not only like a color, it also acts like a moisturizing lip balm, if I can say. And this is from Bobbi Brown. This is my Bobbi Brown nude lipstick. It's the shade is called Nude as well, and the number, if you are guessing, it's 18. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful shade, and it's just perfect. It just, my lips always feel like I'm not wearing any lipstick, and it's just so moisturizing, and it kind of feels like, you know, you've put a lot of balm on your lip balm on your lips, and it's that good. So I can go on about Bobbi Brown, but this is one of my favorite nude lipsticks of all time. Moving to the most high-end brand I own currently in the nude lipstick collection is the one which I recently received, and it's beautiful, and I love it, and it's super pigmented, and the lipstick is from Estee Lauder. I think I have never worn a more pigmented shade or a pigmented formulation than this. This is super pigmented, and the color is, oh my god, I mean, if you're a nude lipstick fan, you would know, right, that there's no end to nude lipsticks, and you just want to buy all the shades. Also, I got this, and this is also a gift, by the way. This is not purchased by me, and this is the color. It's definitely quite expensive, and I mean, I'm sure you know, right, Estee Lauder is not a very cheap brand. So this is how the shade looks. It's just superbly pigmented. It's just superbly pigmented, and I think it's going to be one of my favorite lipsticks for a long time. And with this, we come to the end of my nude lipstick collection. I just thought of sharing a few with you, like 7 of them. I have a few more, but I thought that these are the lipsticks which I always use, so I just wanted to show you that. If you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below your favorite nude lipstick of all time. I'm looking forward to reading your comments, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.